Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried hard eggs. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a few fresh eggs, your favorite cooking oil, and some salt and pepper for seasoning. Grab a good non-stick pan, ideally around 8 to 10 inches across, to ensure even cooking. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and heat it gently over medium-low heat until it just starts to shimmer. This careful preparation sets the stage for perfectly fried eggs. Now, let's get those eggs frying. Carefully crack 1 egg directly into your preheated pan. Try your best to keep that beautiful yolk intact. As soon as the egg is in, turn the heat down to low. This is crucial for cooking the egg through without crisping the edges too much. Let it cook gently for about 2 to 3 minutes, giving the whites time to set nicely around the yolk. To achieve that perfectly hard yolk, here's a simple trick. Add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, right around the egg. Then, quickly cover the pan with a lid. This creates steam, which will cook the top of the egg evenly. Let it steam for another 2 to 3 minutes. This method ensures the yolk becomes completely firm, just how we like it, without needing to flip the egg. Your fried hard egg is almost ready. Gently slide a spatula under the egg and carefully transfer it from the pan to your plate. Now for the best part, seasoning. Sprinkle generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. These delicious fried hard eggs are perfect served immediately on a piece of toast, alongside some fresh vegetables, or as a wonderful addition to any breakfast spread. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.